Hello friends, how are you? So today I'm back with a small unboxing, I can say. I bought today, not today exactly, 4 5 days ago, this Galaxy Buds, and it's late, right? Yes, I agree, it's 1 year old. But I bought now because the price was really reasonable. It was in 400 reais, which is around 6,000 Indian rupees, and I consider this price is very good. So I bought this. So let's do unboxing. These are Samsung Galaxy Buds. I will connect it with the S10 Plus. This is S10 Plus. You can find it in my unboxing videos. It's very special because it has 512 GB internal and 8 GB RAM. This is the top model, which is not available in India. And even in Brazil today we cannot find. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside. I'm sure there is nothing much. You can see I'm opening the seal, and they clearly say don't accept if the seal is broken. So now you can see this product is from Brazil. You can see they are saying that it can work 6 hours, and other thing is that you can call, you can charge it wirelessly. I have this Samsung wireless charger, so I can try to show you. If some light will, it's very dirty actually. I bought with Galaxy Note 8. I never thought that I have so many. One day I will make video of all my Samsung devices. I think I have Note 8, S10, S20, Tab S4, Tab S7. Oh my god, I have become a Samsung enthusiast, right? So let's open it. You can say what kind of fool I am, cannot even open. Yeah, because there is it is linked here, so I need to open something. I don't know why they make it so. Okay, so yes, I am a fool. I need to open this seal. So you can see they did the seal from both sides. Now I think it should open. This is why it was not opening. Okay, so now it is opening. There is some book. No, there is nothing there actually. So what is this? Let's see. I think it has something. Yeah, so it's not for me. Okay, I bought this for Nara, my wife, because I already have this uh, Realme something something, but I really like that and it's really good. So they gave very nice thing. They gave at least the wire, which is very good actually. I have many of these wire, but why not to have one more? And these are some extra earbuds tape, which is good actually. So this is the headphones. Let's quickly open it, and I can quickly show you. A lot of things are written, but just to see if it is charging. Yeah, you can see it's charging. You can see there is a red light there, and there is a blue light here. So I will try to go to the Bluetooth, and Bluetooth is here. Now I'm here, so I will see how it is. I think there is no extra button, so I just need to open it and it should connect it automatically. Yeah, no, this is my watch which I'm using it here, so I think I need to remove the right one first. I don't know how to remove. I think it's like this. So I think this is the button which will, or I have to ask someone, or I need to ask my friend. So how will it connect? Scan. Okay, so I did the unboxing, but I will try to connect. OL45. No, this is a TV. So I will make another video for this. Okay, thank you so much and see you soon.